ManyChat's email integration combines the power of chatbots with email marketing, creating a seamless omni-channel experience. This video will guide you through setting up SMTP and IMAP connections within ManyChat to automate email communications alongside your chatbot flows. We'll cover key concepts, practical steps, and real-world examples to help you leverage this powerful feature. As of late 2025, this is a standard feature for ManyChat's Pro and agency plans. SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the standard protocol used for sending emails across the internet. In ManyChat, SMTP is used to send automated emails that are triggered by various chatbot events. This could include welcome messages when someone subscribes, reminders for abandoned shopping carts, or follow-up sequences after interactions. To set up SMTP in ManyChat, you'll need several key pieces of information. This includes your SMTP server details, such as smtp.gmail.com for Gmail users. You'll also need the port number, typically 587, for TLS encryption. Finally, provide your username and password for authentication. Security is crucial when setting up SMTP. Always ensure you use TLS or SSL encryption to protect your email data as it travels between servers. This encryption scrambles the information, making it unreadable to unauthorized parties. ManyChat now supports OAuth authentication for popular email providers like Gmail and Outlook. OAuth simplifies the setup process by allowing secure access without storing your password directly in ManyChat. This method is both easier and more secure than traditional username and password entry. Let's walk through the SMTP setup process. First, navigate to Settings, greater than Email, in your ManyChat dashboard. Choose Custom SMTP and enter your server, port, username, and password. Enable SSL encryption. Verify your email domain to prevent spoofing. Test the connection by sending a test email. With the updated API version 3.1, OAuth setup for providers like Gmail and Outlook streamlines this process, often eliminating manual credential entry. Now let's configure IMAP. In ManyChat settings, select IMAP connection. Input your server, port, username, and password. Enable SSL for secure communication. Specify the inbox you want ManyChat to monitor. Test the connection to ensure ManyChat can access your inbox. This setup allows ManyChat to trigger workflows based on incoming emails, enhancing your automation capabilities. Let's look at real-world examples of how ManyChat's email integration enhances customer engagement across different industries. For example, an online retailer automates post-purchase emails via SMTP, sending thank you messages and order confirmations. They monitor customer inquiries via IMAP, converting emails into chat threads for quick responses. This approach increased repeat purchases by 40%, according to ManyChat case studies. A telemedicine app integrates Outlook IMAP to sync patient appointment confirmations. When patients reply via email, ManyChat triggers chat reminders, improving adherence. This reduced no-show rates by 25%, while ensuring HIPAA compliance. These scenarios demonstrate how ManyChat's email integration can enhance customer engagement and streamline operations. According to ManyChat case studies, integrations can lead to significant ROI through increased sales and reduced costs.